Hi everyone. So in the last video we learned about creating pivot tables, and in this video we're going to learn about how to create aging report and smart aging dashboards. So let's start. Let's say if you have the details by clients and the outstanding dates and the sales values. So in this case, if we were to create an aging report out of this detail, first step is to identify number of days it is due since. So over here, what we will do is we will pick the date as on which we are creating an aging report. So let's say if we're creating aging report as on 30th of June, we already have set the date here as 30th of June, and we will identify the number of days due since the time it is outstanding until 30th of June. So it will be 30th of June minus outstanding since plus 1 day. I will call it in numbers, and over here D1 need to be frozen by pressing F4. Drag this, so you've got number of days due all over the place. Now once we've identified the number of days, now we will break down these details into a few aging buckets. On the right hand side, I have 4 aging buckets up to 30 days, 31 to 60 days, 61 to 90 days, and more than 90 days. You can have your own aging buckets depending on your requirement. So for identifying aging buckets, since we have number of days, we will identify it by using if function. So we will be using if function for identifying aging buckets, equal to if number of days is greater than. So here you need to keep that in mind, that you need to begin with the biggest bucket greater than 90, then this, otherwise if number of days greater than 60, then this, otherwise if number of days greater than 30, then this, comma this. And you need to close all the brackets. As you can see, with the help of a formula, it has already identified 181 to be more than 90 days. So as you can see, we've created 3 if function loops. First one, the second one, the third one, and if all the 3 conditions are not met, then it will be the fourth one. So there are 3 if conditions for identifying 4 aging buckets. If you were to identify 5 aging buckets, then there would be 4 if functions. Now in this formula, all H need to be frozen. So freeze all H with F4. and drag this. So now you can see it has been identified all throughout. And whatever is up to 30 days, it has already identified it to be up to 30 days. And whatever is greater than that, then it goes into a different aging bucket. Now once we've identified both the number of days in the aging buckets, now is the time to create aging report and aging dashboard. So as we learned in the last video, you can create a pivot by Alt DPS and in the new worksheet. So we have clients here, we have aging buckets here, we have receivables. So this gives you an easy snapshot of aging buckets of $2 million. You can definitely move it to the beginning as up to 30 days, 31 to 60 days, 61 to 90 days, and more than 90 days. Now once you have the pivot ready, we can select the pivot and click on Insert and click on Recommended Charts. Now as you can see, you have a pivot table as well as a pivot chart. And you can keep the clients you want to show it. And it will automatically take the ones you selected. You can also choose to display maybe only the oldest buckets, and it can show you for the selected buckets. You can also change your chart type by, let's say, in this manner. So as you can see, aging dashboard was quite easy with 3 simple steps. I hope you like this video. Please like, comment and share this video. Subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching.